Hey guys, it's me Kevin from nerdcaveph, back for another brand new video. So today we're going to look at the brand new RGB mousepad from Rakk Gears. This is the Rakk Walna version 2. So let's see if this one is better compared to the first one, and let's talk about the difference between them. Now this costs the same as the first one, pricing at 895 pesos, and for those who are interested, link will be posted down below. And of course, I'll be giving this one away, so be sure to watch the whole video and click the giveaway link also down at the description. So let's not waste any more time and let's get right into it. So the first thing you'll notice that this one has a detachable cable compared to the first gen who has a non-detachable cable, so if this one breaks, you can just easily change it. And here you'll see two buttons, one for the brightness and the other one is cycling different lighting modes. The first gen is using a sensory type of switch, and the downside of that is when you hover around your mouse too much, tendency that sometimes you'll hit the sensors, making the lighting mode change, and that bothers me a lot. So that is the biggest improvement here in Walna 2, and I'm really glad that Rakk Gears addressed that problem. And now let's talk about the lighting. This one has a really bright glow and I'm really impressed. Compared to the other RGB mousepad which costs significantly more, this one will definitely feed your RGB hunger. It's a pure eye candy in my opinion. Now the mat they used is plastic, just like the old one, so jumping from there to here, you'll find yourself at home. Now the build quality is superb for its price. It has a heft to it and it doesn't feel cheap at all. And for sure, it can last even for extensive competitive gaming. So that's about it. I'm really impressed by it. It's a good upgrade in my opinion. You'll get your money's worth for an RGB mousepad which has a lot of features and has a great build quality. Once again, I'll be giving this one away, so be sure to join and get a chance to win this awesome RGB mousepad. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on my next video.